We are working with recycling activity 6, which is the document that we edited from a previous activity. Just take note that I do have show and hide on so that I can see, if I scroll down to page 4, the section breaks so we can identify which sections we are working with. We are now going to apply page numbers to this document. At the moment, there are page numbers that have been applied. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. When we move into section 2, which is this landscape page, we can see that the page numbers continue to 5. And then on section 3, which is page 6 and 7, the page numbers continue to 6 and 7. However, we want the appendices to have a different page numbering sequence. We want page 5 to actually be page A, and then page 6 to be page B, and 7 to be page C. So we want to apply a different page numbering sequence to the last two sections. So if we go over here, because this is already a different section, if I click in this footer, I can unlink it to the previous so that it doesn't use the page numbering of section 1, which is pages 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I can remove it, and you will notice that it does not affect section 1's page numbering. So I can come here to page number, and we're going to format page numbers, and I want to use A, B, and C, which is that option over there. But I do not want to continue from the previous section. I want to start at A and click OK. Now that we have formatted the page number, we can come here to page number and insert at the bottom of the page. Now you can see our page numbers are letters, and we want an A, which I'll put in the center of the page. Now you can see my A is on this page. If we scroll up, section 1 is still 1, 2, 3, 4. However, if I scroll all the way down to section 3, you'll see that this section is still using the original section 1's layout. So I will unlink to previous. I will delete the page number. I will format the page numbers. I don't want it to be 1, 2, 3. I want it to be A, B, C. But I want this one to continue from the previous section. So I will click OK and then insert a page number at the bottom in the center. And because it's continuing from the previous section, it is now B and C on the next few pages. So to recap, you want to unlink from previous when you are in a different section and you want different page numbers. Then in the footer or the header, you can format your page numbers to be the style that you want, but do not continue from the previous section if this is the first page of the next section. Apply your page numbering, and then just double check the pages below. They may need to be reset as well. But when you format those, you'll just continue from the current section that you are using. And that is the end of this activity on page numbers.